In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify clothing store. We'll walk through the full process from your first login to a polished launch so you can start selling with confidence. Begin by signing up on Shopify and entering your store name, email, and basic business details. Once that's set, you'll land in the Shopify admin, your central dashboard. Think of this as mission control, where you'll manage products, design, orders, and settings. Next, choose a clothing-friendly theme. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and browse options that highlight visuals and lifestyle imagery. Fashion sells through storytelling, so pick a clean layout with strong photo sections. Customize your colors to match your brand palette, choose modern, readable fonts, and add a bold homepage banner using high-quality lifestyle fashion images. Keep contrast and legibility in mind so text is easy to read on mobile. Now add your clothing products. Go to products, then add product. Upload crisp photos, front, back, and close-ups to show texture and details. Write an SEO-friendly title and a description that covers fabric, fit, style notes, and benefits. Set your price, add size and color variants, and enable inventory tracking so your stock counts stay accurate. Include care and sizing info in the description to reduce returns. Organize your catalog with collections. Create groups like women's clothing, men's clothing, streetwear, dresses, tops, and sale items. Clear categories make browsing intuitive and help customers find what they want faster. Set up essential pages so your brand feels trustworthy. Create home, shop, about us, contact, FAQ, and shipping and returns. Keep these pages concise and helpful, then make sure they're easy to find from your main menu and footer. Configure payments by going to Settings, then Payments. Enable Shopify payments for major cards and add PayPal for convenience. Double check your currency and make sure payouts and policies are correct for your region. Set up shipping under Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Create zones for local and international customers and choose flat rate or weight-based pricing that fits your products. Be transparent with delivery times to set expectations. Connect a domain in Settings, then Domains. Buy a new domain or connect one you already own. A short, memorable name builds credibility. Add key apps to boost performance. Judge.me for product reviews, Klaviyo for email marketing, and an upsell and bundles app to lift average order value. Optimize for sales with fashion keywords like oversized hoodie or summer dress. Add SEO titles and meta descriptions, and use clean images with consistent lighting. Name your files clearly and keep backgrounds uncluttered. Test everything before launch. Place a test order, check mobile responsiveness, and walk through the entire checkout and payment flow to catch issues early. When you're ready, remove password protection and start promoting through TikTok and Instagram Reels, influencer marketing, and targeted email campaigns. Your Shopify clothing store is now ready to sell and scale like a real fashion brand. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.